Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today our toys are going on an adventure on this fun park Playmobil bus, but what's missing, Tiny fans? The tires. We need to put this bus together before we go anywhere. Our Playmobil Fun Park Blue Bus is all ready to ride, and we have tons of fun figures. Daniel and his friend, the Owl, Peppa Pig and her buddy, Zoe Zebra, and we have Bluey and a Honey. Let's get on the bus. Peppa and her friend, Zoe Zebra, love to ride in the back. The Owl and Daniel Tiger sit in the middle. Bluey gets car sick. Her tummy can hurt sometimes on car or bus rides, so she likes to sit in the front and look straight ahead, and that helps her feel a little better. And her friend Honey sits in the front to keep her company. We are all ready to go. And today we're going on an adventure to the petting farm. What kind of animals do you think we're going to see? Let's go and find out. Vroom, vroom. And the first animal we see is a pot-bellied pig. They have short legs and a belly that hangs low. And of course, at a farm, we're going to see cows. Moo! What kind of bird is this, Tiny fans? It says gobble gobble. It's a turkey. Bah! Here is a sheep, and its wool is used to make things like clothing. Many kids have brought little treats for the guinea pigs and rabbits. What kind of vegetables do you see, Tiny fans? And our last stop was the goats. They were very friendly. And they all had itchy heads. Many of them stood up and scratched their heads on the fence. We're back on the bus. Let's count and make sure everybody's there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're all on the bus. Everyone is accounted for, and it's time to head home. What a fun day at the petting farm. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.